We now have the whole specifications, the design, and the price for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 launch. First of all, we got the official marketing renders for the new S Pen case, and they do, in all fairness, look amazing. We also have a reservation website that is still available where you can make a free reservation by providing your name and email address in addition to receiving a free $50 credit. We've had the storage options and color options leaked, and the Fold 5 will be available in Phantom Black, Cream, or Icy Blue. You can also choose from 256, 512, or 1 TB of storage, and there will also be Samsung exclusive colors, but these will only be available through Samsung's online store. The design is still reminiscent of the Fold 4, but the Z Fold 5 now folds completely flat thanks to the new hinge. While I am unable to share the leak marketing renders with you, they confirm that the Z Fold 5 looks exactly like the renderings I have provided here, with the exception of a slight modification to the camera module on the back. Although it seems the same, Ice Universe notes that the Fold is really 16% thinner than the Fold 4. While this is an improvement, there are still several folds that are thinner. We're also getting a better, more robust display than its predecessor. This is partly due to the redesigned hinge mechanism, and contrary to prior speculations, it will only be IPX8 water and dust resistant. Additionally, there were several rumors that the Fold would be less expensive this time around. However, these rumors seem to be untrue. It is currently anticipated that there would be a $100 price rise, which will cause the Fold to start at about $1,900. Now, to be fair, there are several upgrades, such as the display, the hinge, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, so for anybody shopping for a Fold, it will undoubtedly be an excellent one to consider. However, for those who already own a Fold 4, it is probably not going to warrant an upgrade. Even though we now know every detail about the product, I still hold out hope that Samsung will surprise us when it launches. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.